All right, I bet you never would have guessed that this is a 6-piece cooking pot set. I saw this box and I was astonished. I was waiting for my cooking pot set to come in and I could not believe that this was what it was. So everything came pulled apart, so you have to assemble it. So you've got the handles to the cookware with the screws to attach to the pot. Comes with the lids that you attach the hardware to. So we've got 3 lids, or maybe 2 lids. All the hardware to put on top, and the cooking bowls themselves. And this has actually a ceramic inside, so we're actually kind of excited about putting these together and seeing how they work. Fruiteam. And this works on the induction or gas. This is pretty cool. It actually has a nice texture on the bottom. And there's like little metal rivulets in between each. And then it feels like this is almost aluminum in the center here. That's it's pretty nice. All right, we got it all set up and ready to assemble. Each one comes with a screw and each one comes with a handle. This one here is marked 6-inch handle, 8-inch handle, 9.5-inch handle, and then this one here has a handle for each one. They all have one screw to accompany it. I was actually kind of scared there for a second because a couple of them didn't have screws, but in the large handle there was actually 4 screws, and then they sent 1 extra screw along with it, I guess just in case you strip one. And then each one of the handles for the glass lids come with a screw built in. So let's go ahead and assemble these real quick and get it out of the way. We've got the instructions here. How to assemble each part. How to do the soup handle installation. And how to do the pan installation. Now, being a professional installer, assembler myself, I would not recommend using a power tool on this because you could easily strip out the threads. Just use a basic old screwdriver and you'll make sure that these last a long time for you. There you have it, 6-piece cooking set assembled in 4 minutes or less with 1 screw just in case you ever strip it. And it's ready to start cooking. I give you the KUTIME 6-piece non-stick cookware set with ceramic coating. perfectly non-stick.